Alrighty, so I'll be taking the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Toffee. And yep, I'll just be using this to prime my lids. And y'all, do not be laughing at my nails. I know they look crusty. Rona got me messed up out here. I know everyone else is looking crusty a little bit too. So I don't feel too bad. But yeah, so next I'll be taking the shade Bark from the BH Cosmetics and It's My Ray Ray palette, and I'm just using that as a transition shade. Right now I am drinking this White Claw hard seltzer in the flavor Ruby Grapefruit. Y'all, it's really good. It's not really sweet or anything, but I like it. And yeah, I'm just using a Tarte brush to blend all of that out on the edges. Alrighty, and next I'll be taking the shade Cobalt from the It's My Ray Ray palette. And I'm taking this on the M139 brush from Morphe. Going in with Ambitious from the It's My Ray Ray palette, and I'm just using that with a Coastal Scents flat top blending like brush. And yeah, I really actually like this brush, y'all. And that's how it looks. Alrighty, and I'm actually going back in with Cobalt with that same Morphe brush again. And that's what we are looking like currently. And now I'm going back in with that same concealer, and I'm using that to carve out my eyelid. I don't do cut creases too often. Y'all, I need some help with these. Like, do I just need to practice more? Let me know if y'all think these are good or not, because I really don't know. I feel like they could be a little bit more like crisp. Like, I see so many girls on Instagram that have that cut crease like on, ooh, and I'm just like, yes ma'am. But next I'll be taking the star of this tutorial, which is this chmoney green pigment from What's Poppin' by Cardi B. I actually got this pigment like maybe 3 years ago. This is when Cardi B was on the show Love and Hip Hop before Bodak Yellow came out and like just blew up. So yeah, she was out here grinding, getting her money, and she was also selling like portable chargers. We bought one, me and my mom. Yeah, we saw her at the Brunner Brothers hair show. Alrighty, and next I'm just taking a blending brush and blending out that crease, making sure everything looks good together and is seamless. And I'm going back in with that cobalt blue shade just because I wanted to add it a little bit more. And next I'll be taking the shade Sponsored from the Chazmyane palette, and I'm using that as my inner corner highlight. Y'all, I feel like that color is so freaking pretty, and this camera is not doing it any justice right now as far as picking up how it just looks so seamless together. But I did add some lashes. They're Ardell, the 251 lashes. Onto lips, I am taking the NYX liquid lip suede in Club Hopper. I've been drinking this seltzer. I'm kind of messed up now. But yeah, so next I'll be taking that ABH lip gloss in Kristen. just to be a little bit more extra, I added in the Fenty Beauty Pussy Lip Gloss. Y'all, lip gloss was straight popping, and that is the final look. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and subscribe. Thank you.